The battle for smartphone supremacy is heating up, and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra may be the game-changer the industry has been waiting for. Packed with cutting-edge AI innovations, refined design elements, and hardware that rivals anything on the market, Samsung's latest flagship looks poised to leave Apple scrambling to keep up. Let's explore what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra one of the most anticipated phones of 2025, and why some believe it could redefine the smartphone landscape. Unveiling the next generation of AI. Samsung has always been at the forefront of technological innovation, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to take things to a whole new level. Rumors from trusted sources, including renowned leaker S25, suggest that the device's AI capabilities could overshadow even Apple's advancements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, running on One UI 7, introduces a revolutionary AI system. Samsung is holding back key details until the official unveiling on January 22, 2025, but early hints point to life-enhancing features like advanced voice interaction, real-time photo and video editing powered by AI, and even health monitoring systems that can predict potential risks. According to S25, this next-gen AI system could show Apple what leading AI really is. The stakes are higher than ever, as this intense rivalry pushes both companies to innovate faster. Aesthetic refinements, design and colors. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't stray far from its predecessors, but refines its aesthetics for a more polished feel. The device's slightly rounded corners and premium build quality exude sophistication. Samsung is also introducing a range of stunning colors, including titanium silver blue, titanium black, and titanium gray, alongside exclusive online shades like titanium white silver. While some early renders sparked debate over the accuracy of the shades, updates have since confirmed their eye-catching appeal. Under the hood, performance that commands attention. At the core of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, an overclocked powerhouse designed for unparalleled performance. Initial benchmarks show impressive results, with a single-core score of 3,492 and a multi-core score of 9,793. While these numbers may not break records, they showcase Samsung's commitment to delivering a well-optimized experience. With 12 GB RAM as standard and an optional 16 GB variant, multitasking and gaming will be smoother than ever. Battery life and charging. A daily powerhouse. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring it lasts a full day of heavy use. Samsung's 45W fast charging and reverse wireless charging capabilities give it a clear edge over Apple, whose iPhone 16 Pro Max lags behind with slower charging speeds and no reverse wireless functionality. Camera. A new standard in mobile photography. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of mobile photography with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The phone boasts 200MP primary sensor for unparalleled detail, 50MP zoom lens and 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 12MP ultra-wide sensor for breathtaking landscape shots. While Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max excels in natural photo processing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra leans into vibrant, eye-catching images. In low light, Samsung's larger sensor captures stunning detail, often surpassing the competition. For video enthusiasts, Samsung's camera app offers extensive customization, making it a dream tool for creators. AI-powered features. Beyond the basics. One of the most exciting aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its AI integration. Leaks suggest features such as dynamic battery optimization, learn your habits, and adjust power consumption. Real-time image enhancements, instantly improve photos and videos with AI suggestions. Health alerts, predict potential risks based on your activity data. Rising costs, the price of innovation. Global economic factors, including exchange rates and political instability in South Korea, could lead to higher prices for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, the device's combination of innovative features and refined design may justify the investment. iPhone 16 Pro Max versus Galaxy S25 Ultra. the rivalry intensifies. Samsung's latest flagship isn't entering a vacuum. It's squaring off against Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max, another titan in the smartphone arena. Here's how they compare.
Design and build quality.
The iPhone 16 Pro Max sticks with Apple's iconic flat-edge design, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra retains its curved edges and includes the ever-popular S Pen for added functionality. Both phones boast premium materials and thoughtful design, but Samsung offers more color options for those seeking variety. Display technology. Samsung's 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate rivals Apple's 6.9-inch LTPO display. However, Samsung's anti-reflective coating makes outdoor use more convenient, giving it a slight edge. Performance. Apple's A18 Pro chip excels in sustained performance, while Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Elite shines in graphic-intensive tasks. Both processors are marvels of engineering, but their strengths cater to slightly different user needs.
Camera.
The iPhone offers a new 48MP ultra-wide sensor and improved lens coatings for minimal flare. However, Samsung's 200MP primary camera and AI-driven enhancements steal the show for users who crave vibrant, detailed photos. Software experience. While iOS is known for its seamless ecosystem, Samsung's One UI 7 offers unparalleled customization and feature depth. For power users, Samsung's software flexibility is a major selling point. The verdict: why the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't just promise incremental upgrades, it aims to set a new benchmark for smartphones. With groundbreaking AI, versatile camera capabilities, and thoughtful design refinements, it's clear Samsung is pulling out all the stops. As the launch date approaches, excitement builds for what could be the most impressive flagship of 2025. Will it live up to the hype? Stay tuned for our full review post-launch on Technology Review.